Monthly earnings. Stellar Sagas. $19,100 for 4.7 million views. History bypass $14,000 for 3.5 million views. The AI Historian, $15,300 for 3.8 million views. History Lab Archives, $17,700 for 4.4 million views. I've researched the most successful channels covering historical topics and found a popular theme, which I'll reveal to you today. Do you also want to start earning from historical videos? I have good news for you. You can start today. Soon, I'll show you a detailed step-by-step process for complete beginners. We'll use AI tools online and mainly for free. At the end of the video, I'll show you the result of today's work and also several tips on own topics with viral potential. So watch until the end. Content preparation, ChatGPT. After analyzing the biggest historical channels, I found that the most popular topics are woman leaders, dictators and tough rulers, Nazism, and World War II. I chose woman leaders as the topic. Now, I just need to insert into ChatGPT the prompt, create titles for viral YouTube shorts about historical woman leaders. Then, I'll choose one topic that appeals to me the most. To create the final story, I'll use the transcript of the most popular video from the Stellar Sagas channel with more than 20 million views. I'll right-click and copy the video URL. I'll download the transcript using the online tool Tactic.io, and then insert the file into ChatGPT with the challenge complemented by the selected theme. Now I will insert the prompt available in the video description into ChatGPT and add the Stellar Sagas transcript file from the Tactic and wait for the result of my input. Creating images with Leonardo? I recommend using the Leonardo.ai tool, which has 150 credits daily and creates photorealistic photos. First, I log into my account and then select the Leonardo Vision XL model. In the left settings panel, I choose 2 images, check the photoreal and alchemy section, and set the input dimension to 768x360. Then, I just need to insert the prompt generated using ChatGPT and download the individual photos. I will need at least 15 images, one for every 4 seconds. Creating animations with LeiaPix. I log into my account on leiapix.com. Then I can create interesting animations from my images for free. Just insert the image, click on export, and switch to a lower resolution. If you want to enlarge the video for free, you can use the CapCut Video Upscaler in the Magic Tools section. Creating voiceover with 11 Labs. In ChatGPT, I create a text transcript using the prompt, create a raw script in one continuous paragraph without visual suggestions. I then insert this text into the text-to-speech tool, 11 Labs. First, I select the original voice style. I click on Voice Lab, add generative or cloned voice, and then Voice Library. In the filter, I select narrative and story and a male voice. I like the voice of Marcus the most, so I click on Add to Voice Lab. Now, I select this voice in the settings section and insert the raw script into the text field and click on Generate. Creating video with CapCut. Now, I'll create the final video. I upload all the files using the import button, then I drag the files onto the timeline below. I remove gaps in the voice and add transitions using the plus button in the transition section. Likewise, I can add effects for each scene of the video. Next, I create subtitles using text, auto captions, create and set the text on the right to stand out. The font used by these videos is Comica, which I can download from the DaFont website, install, and then it appears in the selection. Then, I increase the font size, choose the style, and place the subtitles in the center. In the caption section, I select the pop-up style so that only one word is displayed at a time. Then, I insert sounds that fit the scenes. And finally, I choose suitable music. I recommend not using the CapCut library to avoid a copyright strike. I use the free YouTube library, or 3 downloads per month, from the tool toontank.com. I'm interested in songs from the cinematic category. Bonus topics. At the beginning, I promised you specific bonus ideas for topics with viral potential, which you just need to add to ChatGPT for specific videos. Remember that the sky's the limit with your imagination, and you can succeed with your original idea today. Don't give up after the first try, and try to persevere until your breakthrough comes. Now let's look at a sample of the final video.
Imagine a world where a teenager alters the fate of a nation. This is the story of Joan of Arc, the teenager who changed France forever. Born in a small village, Joan experienced divine visions that guided her destiny. Undeterred by her age and gender in a male-dominated era, she convinced the Prince of France to let her lead an army. Clad in armor, she rode into battle, a beacon of hope, rallying the French against overwhelming odds. Her victories were miraculous, turning the tide of the 100 Years' War. Captured and martyred, her spirit became immortal, inspiring millions for centuries. Joan of Arc, a simple village girl who became the heart and soul of a nation.
What do you think? Leave your opinion in the comments. Thank you for watching today's video on the Extra Income channel. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, don't miss our next interesting video.